Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mods. Thanks for tuning back in. I've been requested a couple times on best performance mods on the cord. This is 1.5, of course. So I just want to let you guys know that it's not. I wouldn't consider tuning it with a K tuner or a Honda. Honestly, it's a CVT is not worth it. You might get like what 20, 30, 40, 50 horsepower extra, but then again, your transmission might be messed up in a month or less, or maybe 2, 3, 4 months down the road. It's not worth it. The best you could do with it is kind of the drop-in K&N filter, which is like a red filter pretty much that drops into the stock filter. And you could do like suspension stuff for it, or you could do wheels, make it a show car instead, body kit, all that kind of good stuff. And yeah, like interior lighting, star lights or ambient lights or underglow kit, all these kind of stuff is perfectly fine. I would say for the 1.5, just don't go crazy on it like turbo swap or front mount intercooler or anything like that. Yeah, just I wouldn't tune it, honestly. Yeah, super dirty, of course, because this car is pretty much gone. I figured I'd make a video on the last day, and this video is coming pretty much after my 2.0 me picking up my car 2.0 release video. So, but still got you guys a video, right? Like you guys say, I'm the best. So stay tuned for that. The different build is going to be on the 2.0 for sure, big time. It's going to be a really nice build, different from anything out there. That's the goal. And yeah, take a last look at this sweet ride right here. This car's been a blessing for me, of course, and it's time to upgrade. It's time for this one to let go. That's that. Had the tail lights, V3 tail lights on. If you need anything, stuff like V3 tail lights, any kind of design you want, just DM Boosted Whips. I'll put his IG in the description below. Just mention to him if you want. Redline Mods, he'll take care of you. And yeah, that's that. And just going around, the calipers are red, of course, super dirty. You can't really see it much now, but this is the exterior I had for a couple of years now. And I had the vinyl on the wheels from Crux Motorsports, and it's been on there for 2 years now, no issues. So it depends on how you actually apply it. I do have installation videos on almost everything here, and that would conclude the video. So for the 1.5, I would just do exotic work on it, and also just K&N drop-in filter, so you would kind of feel a little bit of a pickup on that one for sure. It does make a difference. And that's it, guys. So stay tuned, keep watching the upcoming videos. I appreciate the support. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon to be notified on upcoming content. Means a lot to me. And peace out until next time, fam.